we're in the center of Chatron in Roubaix, where
this is the home of Francis Burke. Francis Burke was an Irish wine merchant, and as you can see, this is early 18th century architecture. These balconies are typical Bordeaux balconies that you will probably find nowhere else in France. And the idea is that they are actually supported on these arches that you can see here. It's called a balcony on a sponge.
that's amazing.
So come inside, and I'd like to present the Musée de Vin et de Négoce.
Come with us.
What I love about the building is the intricacy of the stonework over here, Gino.
Oh my God, it's lovely. But I need you to answer a question for me.
Sure.
Why are there two staircases in this building?
There are two staircases because one staircase was that of Francis Burke and his quarters, and the other was that of the cellar master because this was a production area over here. So there are two separate staircases to the same entrance. And we also know that this is a place to produce wines, to expedite to the rest of the world. And he was a very innovative man. He was one of the first men who actually started to experiment putting vines or wine in bottles before the main company started Mitchell. Also another Irishman.
Yeah, see, this is what Bordeaux is famous for. It's not just the wines, it's the history, the fact that there are people from other nationalities that made Bordeaux what it is today.
You can imagine you're out at the quays where everything is expedited, loaded onto the tall ships, and you have all these different languages. Everybody's speaking different languages at once from Europe.
I love it, I love it. And this is why we're here in Bordeaux, still in Bordeaux, happy in Bordeaux.